Hello friends, Eric here. Our very first position for the left hand is going to be finger 1 on string 2 fret 1 and finger 3 on string 5 fret 3. We're going to be working with two finger picking patterns. The first one is thumb, index, middle, index. The thumb is playing the string number 5, the index string number 3, middle string number 2, and index string number 3 again. For the entire piece, the index finger is going to always play string number 3, the middle finger is always going to play string number 2, and the ring finger, when we use it, is always going to play string number 1. The only one that is going to have different strings to play is the thumb, sometimes the 5th, sometimes the 4th, but the other fingers are always going to be playing the very same strings all throughout. So let's go back to finger picking pattern number 1 is thumb, index, middle, index. And then finger picking pattern number 2 is ring finger, index, middle, index. Each finger picking pattern is comprised by 4 strokes. Let's see finger picking pattern 1 again. Thumb, index, middle, index. And then finger picking pattern 2, ring, index, middle, index. And the way these two finger picking patterns are going to work throughout the piece is finger picking pattern 1, we play it once, and then finger picking pattern 2, we play it 3 times in a row. So it's going to look like this. And that was measure number 1. In this lesson, each measure is going to have only one left hand position, and most of the work is going to be done by the finger picking pattern on the right hand. Let's go to measure number 2. To get from the position of measure 1 to the position of measure 2, we remove finger 3, and then finger 2 we bring it from string 2 to string 1. The thumb on the right hand is going to play string number 4, and the finger picking patterns are going to work the same. Finger picking pattern 1 once, and then 3 times in a row finger picking pattern 2. So measure number 2 is going to look like this. From the position on measure number 2 to the position on measure number 3, we are going to bring finger number 2 all the way to string 5 fret 2, and finger 4 is going to get to string number 1 fret number 3. We can remove finger 1. On the right hand, the finger picking pattern 1 is going to play string number 5, and the finger picking pattern sequence is going to be the same. Finger picking pattern 1 once, and then 3 times the finger picking pattern number 2. And we're going to start with the thumb playing string number 5. So it goes like this. And to get to the next position, we are going to bring finger number 3 to string number 5 fret number 3, and finger number 1 to string number 2 fret number 1. Fingers 2 and 4 don't need to press anything. The right hand is going to start on the 5th string, and we do finger picking pattern 1 and 2. Again and again. To get to the next position, we remove finger 3, we bring finger 2 to string 2 fret 2, and then we can take finger 1 off. The right hand is going to start on string number 5. From here, finger 2 is going to be going from string 2 to string 3, same fret number 2. We bring finger 3 to string number 2, fret number 3, and finger 1 to string number 1, fret number 1. The finger picking pattern sequence is the same, and the thumb is going to play string number 4. From there, we're going to take finger 2 all the way to string 5, fret 2, and finger 4 is going to go to string 1, fret 3. The finger picking pattern is going to start on the 5th string. And finally, measure number 8, we need finger 3 on string 5, fret 3, and finger 1 on string 2, fret 1. Fingers 2 and 4 don't have to press anything. The finger picking pattern on the right hand starts on string number 5. But we do not repeat finger picking pattern 2. We finish the piece with string number 5 and let it ring for 2 beats.